Ma'am.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me, children? All of you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes. All of you can hear me? Okay? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. So I think we have stopped with the multiplication of decimals, isn't it? We have stopped with multiplication of decimals. I think I have explained that also. Multiplication of a decimal by another decimal.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Huh? Children? Children, they are joining. 24 only came. Huh? Please wait. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. So we shall start with multiplication. I think yesterday I was
Morning,
explaining,
ma'am.
previous day, I was explaining about the multiplication of decimal with a whole number, multiplication of decimals with 10, 100, 1000, etc. Is that topic clear to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we'll explain today how to multiply a decimal with another decimal. Okay. Some more problems related to that we'll do. So actually what we have to do to multiply a decimal with another decimal?
We should not.
We should we have to multiply without the decimal point.
We simply multiply
Ma'am,
the
we should
numbers
multiply
without
without the
Decimal
decimal
point.
point.
the
Last,
point. We
in the
should
product place,
count the
the
numbers
decimal
in the right
point
side and put
for the
the
number of
point
Yeah.
decimal
according to
places
that.
in the
decimal
product
places,
is
And
equal to
after the
the sum
decimal
of the
point, how
decimal
much numbers
places
are
in
coming,
two
that much
decimals.
places should be there in the answer also, isn't it? So like that, we can do some problems. After that, we shall pass on to the next topic, that is division of decimal numbers. Okay, so first is take down in your rough book, then copy it neatly in the note. Okay, I think I have given some homework yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It was simple, no? All of you got the answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple one, that is multiplication by 10, 100, 1000 and all, and with the whole number. I think it was easy. It was an easy topic.
Yes,
No need
ma'am.
to think about that. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So today we'll pass on to multiplication of a decimal with another decimal. Okay. So some are waiting again. Okay. So take your notes, all of you. Can you see the board, all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
Ma'am.
So the topic is this, multiplication of a decimal with another decimal. I'll change the color of the board. White board is not so good for me. Okay. Yeah. Multiplication, write the heading, multiplication.
Of
Yes.
decimals by a decimal.
Write down, multiplication of a decimal
By a decimal.
with other decimal. With other decimal. Multiplication of a decimal with other decimal. Find. Find.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Find 1, 2.5 into 0.3. What is it? 2.5 into 0.3. Find out what is it. So what we have to do is this. Listen, just listen.
7.5.
Just listen.
7.5.
1.5. Just listen. Just listen.
0.75.
Yeah, actually you have to multiply what? What is this number? 25. Okay, 25 into, what is this number? 0, 3. That means 3.
3.
3. What is the answer we get?
75.
75. We get
0.75.
75 we'll get. But listen, now just check what you have to do is, just check what is, how many, after this decimal point, how many one number? One decimal place. After this decimal point, one place is there.
One place.
So 1 plus 1, 2. Isn't it? 2
Yes,
decimal places. 2 decimal
Places.
in the answer. So after, that means after the decimal point, 2 places should come in the answer. So what?
0.75.
0.75.
0.75.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you have to do is simply multiply as numbers. Okay, simply multiply as numbers. Then you have to check in the first decimal, after the decimal point, how many places are there. Then again in the second decimal, after decimal point, how many places are there. Add the number of places. That much place should come in the answer.
Answer.
Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you next question. Next question is
So we can do in this method also.
this method. Into, this is easy, 51.7. 51.7.
5.17.
Answer is?
5.17.
Correct. Let others also do. 1 minute. I'll erase the
5.17.
answer.
5.17.
5.1.
Okay. So what is it? 0.1 into 51.7. So simply take, what is this number? 1.
1.
0, 1. 0, 1 means it is 1. 1 into 51.7. 517 you take. 517. Okay. What is it?
517 itself.
517. Now check, after decimal point, how many places are there?
2. 2.
After decimal point, how many places are there? 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places should be there in the answer. So where we'll put the
5.17.
5.17.
5.17.
see, 2 places are there, isn't it? After the decimal point. So this is the way you have to find out the answer. Okay. Now next question. Second one. Third one is 0.2 into 316.8. Find out.
63.36.
Yes. Who is answering?
Mummy.
Okay. Ahmad Afin, did you get the answer? Afin?
63.36.
63.36.
Okay. Ahmad, did you get the answer? Ahmad? Hello. Ahmad Afin? No answer. Why? Ahmad Afin, did you get the answer? Hello. Ivan got the answer? Nayan? Ivan, can you hear me? Isa, put your video. I don't want to see the photo. Benedict, video. Don't put photo. Nelvin Anthony and okay, Nelvin, did you get the answer? Yes. Who is it? Manish. Sorry. Adityan. Adityan. What is the answer? Did you get the answer?
33.
What is the answer you got?
63.36.
63.36.
36.
Correct. So we have to multiply 2 into 3, 1.
68.
Yes, yes.
3,168.
Yes, yes, yes. We have to multiply with 2 into 2 is the number, then 3,168.
68.
So answer is, we'll be getting 6336,
6336.
isn't it? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
36. Now, you have to see the decimal places. 1, 2. So, 2 decimal places in the answer also. Okay. Benedict, did you understand? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it your hair, Benedict? Or something is kept on hair? No. Fourth question. 1.07 into 0.02. All these things you have to write in the note. Okay. You have to write in the note. 1.07 into 0.02. What is it?
34.
0.0214.
No, find out the answer. Find out the answer.
0.34.
Yes?
0.34.
No. No, the number is not 17. Don't take it as 17. What is the number?
107.
107. 107. 107. Isn't it? So it is 107 into 2. Okay. Then you have to take it like that. 107.
0.214.
What is the answer you are getting?
0.214.
0.214.
No, no.
214.
0.0214.
Yes, wait. You will be getting the answer as
0.0214.
0014.
214 is the answer you are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 2.14 is the answer you are getting. And you check how many decimal places are there after the 2. Then here 2. So 2 plus 4 places
4.
come after the decimal point, right? So in the answer also 4 decimal places should come after the decimal point.
0.0214.
Here we have how much? Only 3. So add 1 0 here.
0.01.
Okay. After the decimal point, we should get.
0.0214.
If you add here, there is no meaning. Okay. There is no meaning. If you add on the right side, there is no meaning. After the decimal, after putting the decimal point, if you put the 0 on the rightmost side, there is no meaning. It will not be added with the place value. So you have to add it in before. So 0.0214 is the answer. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more question.
Can you say it once more? The last question.
This question. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So being stuck here. Okay. So I'll rub it. Yes. Now I'll give the same question. I have to explain once more. That's what you told. Okay, listen. It was 1.07 to 0.02, isn't it? This was the question. Now, what is the number here? Number here is
107.
something like that. 107 into 2. Okay, so what we will get the answer? 2 sevens are 14.
214.
2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 ones are 2. 214 you will get.
Yes.
Okay, now count the decimal places. Count the decimal places. How much is it? See how many
Zero.
decimal places are there?
0.02.
2 here, isn't it? 2 decimal places. Here how much is there?
2.
2.
After decimal point, how much places are there?
4 places.
2 plus 2, 4 decimal place should come in the answer. So what is it? Point.
Zero.
There only 3 are there. So add 1 0 to
Ma'am,
the
we should always add before the numbers, right?
yeah,
0.
yeah. After decimal point, be careful. If you add here, the number position will be changed. Okay, simply don't add. You can add now in the left side. 2, 1, 4. Now you see after decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 places have come. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
same type I'll give another problem I'll give you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Miss Yada and Emily are willing to let them in.
Let them in. I'm not getting any intimation here to let them in. Ask them to join once more. Now, another one, I think fifth question. 10.05 into 1.05. 10.05 into 1.05. Find out. Multiply, then put the decimal point.
10.5525.
Very good. Who said the answer?
Ma'am,
Milan?
Lakshmi.
Ah, okay. Okay, good. Find out, others find out the answer.
Point 10.5525.
Correct.
Ma'am, 10.5525.
Answer is 10.55.
5525.
5525.
So what is the number here? Number here is 1005. Here it is 105. Multiply. When you multiply, 5 5s are 25. 2, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. Now with the 0, you multiply 0, 0, 0, 0. Now with the 1, you multiply 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 0 0. 1 0 0. 1 1s are 1. Now add. What you will get? You will get 5, 2,
5, 2,
5,
5,
5,
0,
0,
1.
1. Now, how many decimal places here? It is
4.
2. Here also 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 decimal place should be there after the decimal point. So, where 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? So, here, decimal answer will be 10.5525. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, next, shall we pass on to division of decimal numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yes, you want to copy this? Copy it. You will do it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it yourself. Answer is this, final answer you can do. Then you have to do it. Okay, next topic is division of a decimal number with a whole number. Next topic is division of a decimal with a whole number. Simply with whole number means division, write the heading, division of a decimal by a whole number. Division of a decimal by a whole number. So what you have to do is write down, divide the number without decimal point, and place the decimal point place the decimal point in the quotient, such that it is equal to that of the number of decimal, and place the decimal point in the quotient such that it is equal to that of the
Number.
number of decimal places in the decimal given. Divide the number without decimal point and place the decimal point in the quotient such that it is equal to that of the decimal given. Decimal, that is enough. Okay. Given is understood. That of the decimal given to you. That is for dividing. Of the dividend. You understand like that? Because we are dividing a decimal with a whole number, isn't it? So only one decimal is there. That is decimal given. That is the meaning. So division of decimal by a whole number is a heading. Divide the number without decimal point. Simply divide the numbers without decimal point. Number without decimal point. Then place the decimal point in the quotient such that it is equal to that of the decimal. Like multiplication itself, we simply divide the number with the divisor, that is the whole number, and place the decimal point as equal to the decimal given. I'll show an example. For example, 12.96 divided by 4. So what you have to do is, you divide 1296 by 4. What is the answer? Find out. Do it now. Find out the answer. Answer is, see, 4 3s are 12. Isn't it?
324.
4 2s are
324.
4 8s are
4.
4 is 8. Okay.
3.24.
4 is the answer.
24.
Okay. So it is 4.
3.24.
24.
4.
Answer is
24.
3.24. So how many places? So how many places after decimal point is there?
2.
2. So in the answer also we have to place it like that. That's all. Now is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
3.24. Now another one I'll give you. You do it yourself. Is it
Okay,
clear? The method is clear to you, no? So do it.
Yes, ma'am.
40.86 divided by 6. Find out. Find out the answer. Find out the answer.
Madam, 6.81.
6.81.
Correct. 6.81. Okay. So when you divide a 4086 divide by 6, you will get how much you are getting? 6 6 are
681.
36, isn't it? So you will get 6 into 6.81. 681 you will get. Now fix the decimal point. How? 2 places are there.
places.
So we'll get 6.81.
6.81.
Answer. Okay. 6.81 as the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Today Sriram is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Abhinand Krishna. Agish. Okay. Abhinav Bijoy. Abhinav Bijoy is present. Abhinav PA. Abhinav PA is present.
No.
No. Let me check. Albert Jojo.
Present, ma'am.
Abel Anthony,
Present, ma'am.
Amna Shirin,
Present, ma'am.
Anan Haji,
Present, ma'am.
Angelina Biju,
Ma'am,
yes,
6.8.
Anthony Babu,
Present, ma'am.
Anusha Latish,
Present, ma'am.
Arjun MR,
Present, ma'am.
Ayan,
Present, ma'am.
Benedict is there. Carlin Matthew, I didn't see today. Carlin is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dilla present. Emelina Rose present?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Shal,
Yes, ma'am.
Gauri Parvati,
Present, ma'am.
Gogul Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
Hessa, I saw Hessa. Hessa is there, Iza is there. Johain Jeevan. Yes or no?
Ma'am, she is present.
Johain is present. Okay,
Yes.
let me check.
Her mic some problem is
Okay,
so
okay,
she
okay,
can't
okay.
hear.
I saw her. Krishna Kripa,
Present, ma'am.
Malavika,
Present, ma'am.
Milan K. Jain. Hello? Yes, I saw. Vizyad is present. Nine.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Nelvin K. Anup,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Chandra is present. Parthiv,
Present, ma'am.
Parthiv is present, yes. Then Parvati Menon is present. Prajita is present. Pranavatmak,
Present, ma'am.
yes. Rudra Sunil,
Yes, ma'am.
Shifana, no, I didn't see.
Present, ma'am.
Shifana is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shifana, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Shreya baby,
Ma'am.
Srihari, yes. Tanmay,
Present, ma'am.
yes. Uma Parvati, Uma, why you were late, Uma?
Yes,
Uma
ma'am.
Parvati, why you were late?
Ma'am, because of network connection, ma'am. Here it is a bit slow. I'm connecting with the hotspot.
So see the video, okay? Otherwise you won't get the connection.
ma'am.
Okay. Then Vaishnav Suresh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So I think only two are absent.
Ma'am, you already called my name.
Who was it?
Adityan.
I have ticked you because you I have spoken with you. No, I know you are present. So I have put a tick mark for you. Okay, you are present. Children, you understood how to
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
divide with the whole number, isn't it? Okay. These all. Yes. Now next question. 35.7. Who is it? Switch off the mic.
Ma'am, somehow it's just.
Switch off the speakers.
Ma'am, Sriram.
Switch off the speakers when you are speaking at home. Okay. Otherwise, it will be a disturbance for others.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Question is this. I'll give you. Wait. 35.7 divided by 3. 35.7 divided by 3.
11.9.
11.9.
Correct. Good. Answer is 11.9. See how many places? 1. So we have the answer.
0.9.
Okay. Next one. 25.5 divided by 3.
5.5 divided by.
Can you go some
8.5.
No. Okay. Correct. 8.5. Okay. So you can put 8 point.
Can you go some slow?
Slowly. Okay. I want to go slow. Little bit slow. I have to. Okay. Okay. You find out the answer by yourself. 3 8s are 24. Balance 1. 3 5s are 50. So you'll get 85. Isn't it?
5.
Only one
85.
decimal point.
So 85 you will get. Now how many
8.5.
1 point.
So we have to put a point here. That's all.
8.5.
0.5.
Next one is this one. 82.44 divided by 6. switch off the speakers when you
Ma'am?
feel that some other noise will come
Ma'am?
from your house. Okay.
Ma'am, is it
Yes.
13.74?
Okay. Very good. Others find out the answer. Nelvin, please switch on your video. Children, I want to see your face. Okay, what is the answer? All of you did?
13.74.
So you'll get 1374, isn't it? Now check the place.
1374.
So you will get
374. Decimal point.
13.74.
13.74.
13.74.
13.74.
Yes. Now is it clear, children?
Yes,
Division
ma'am.
of a decimal by another decimal. Another whole number. Division of a decimal by a whole number. That's what we finished. Okay. Now next topic is division of the decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. That is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise all. Okay. Now next heading is
Division
division.
of
Write
decimal
fast. Division of a decimal
by 10,
by
100, and
10, 100, 1000, etc. That is understood. Okay, 1000. I'll give you the definition later. We'll do the problems. Okay, what is it actually? We have to see while multiplying a decimal by 10, 100, 1000. What did I say? How to multiply? We just shifted the decimal point to the right side, isn't it?
Yes.
According to the number given, zeros followed by 1, we shifted the decimal point to the right. Into 10 means we shifted the decimal point to the right by 1 point. Into 100 means shifted by 2 points. 2 digits. Then 1000 means we shifted to the right by 3 digits, isn't it?
3 digits.
Same way, in the division, what you have to do is, instead of shifting to right, you shift it to the left. Clear? That's the difference. Instead of shifting to right, you shift to the left. For example.
Can you give an example?
Yeah. See this example. Look. 23.8. This is the decimal number divided by 10. What is the answer? See, you will get the same divided by 10. 23,238 you write. Now the decimal point, how many zeros? 1 0. So decimal will shift to this place.
2.38.
To the left by 1 place because only 1 0 is there. Okay. Now if it is divided by 100. What? Sorry, this I wrote something else. Okay. Sign is up there.
23.8.
Yeah, I see. So, yeah, it is 23.8 divided by 100. Now, how many places I have to shift? To the left, 2 places. Okay, so what will be the answer?
23.8.
Huh?
23.8.
What? This is
23.8. 2.38.
2.8. No.
2.38.
0.238.
Wait.
0.238.
So 1, 2. Isn't it?
0.238.
0.238 or simply 0.238. Is it a confusion? 0. No need. Simply I have put a 0.
No, ma'am.
Point, just think like this. This point will change to 1, 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the answer. One more question. After that we'll stop the class. It's time. Again divided by 1000.
0.0238.
Third place we don't have.
0.002.
0.038. 0.238.
Yes.
Point
Listen, children.
0.238.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Look here,
In multiplication, we will add 0 to the
right side.
right side.
See, in the during multiplication, what we will do is,
Good morning, ma'am.
hello, during while we are multiplying, we'll shift to the right side. While dividing, we shift to the left side. That is the difference. Okay, clear, children?
Ma'am, we'll add zeros to the right
Yes,
side.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
I'll
ma'am.
give you the homework.
Thank you, ma'am.